Imagine this. You just landed in another country. You're excited, but suddenly you can't find your luggage. You need to ask for directions, or you're hungry but don't know how to order food. What do you do?
Do you freeze and panic? Or do you take a deep breath, smile, and speak in English, confidently and clearly? Today, we are going to make sure you can do the second one.
Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Liam. Today's topic is one of the most practical and fun ones: English for traveling abroad.
Whether it's your first time on a plane or your 10th time visiting another country, English will be your best travel partner.
Exactly. English is the language that connects people from different countries, from airports to hotels, restaurants, and even street markets. English helps you communicate and explore the world confidently.
So today, we'll teach you useful expressions, give you a real conversation example, and help you build confidence to speak naturally when you travel. When you travel abroad, you'll need English in three main situations. 1. At the airport. 2. At the hotel. 3. At restaurants or when asking for directions.
Yes, and all of them can be learned with simple and polite phrases.
Let's look at some of the most common ones. Where is the check-in counter?
Can you help me find gate 12?
I think my bag is missing.
How far is this hotel from the airport?
Can I get the menu, please?
How much does it cost?
Can you take a photo of me, please?
See, you don't need complicated grammar. You just need the right words said with confidence and a smile.
Excuse me, I think my suitcase didn't come out.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe your suitcase, please?
Sure. It's a black, medium-sized suitcase with a red ribbon on the handle.
All right. Do you have your baggage claim tag?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check in the system. Ah, it looks like your bag is still in Singapore. It should arrive on the next flight.
Oh no, what should I do now?
Don't worry. We'll deliver it to your hotel tomorrow. Can I have your hotel address, please?
Of course. Here it is. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great stay in London.
See, that's a simple, polite, and real conversation. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be clear, calm, and kind.
Yes. And notice how polite expressions like excuse me, can you, and thank you make the conversation friendly and smooth.
Exactly. Those small words make a big difference. Many travelers say, I'm too shy to speak English abroad. But let me tell you, the biggest travel mistake is staying silent.
That's true. Even if your English isn't perfect, people appreciate your effort. Locals respect travelers who try to speak their language, especially English because it shows courage.
Remember, communication is not about perfection. It's about connection. You don't need fancy words. Simple sentences like, where is the bus station? Or, how do I get to the museum? Are enough to start a conversation.
Yes, and most people will help you. Sometimes they'll even teach you new words. So when you travel, think of every English conversation as an adventure, not a test.
I love that. Traveling isn't just about places, it's about people, and English is your key to meeting them.
Let's share some practical expressions for our listeners. At the airport, what time does the flight depart? Where's the boarding gate? Can I get an aisle seat? At the hotel, I have a reservation under the name Anna Smith. Can I get an extra towel, please? What time is checkout? At a restaurant, can I see the menu, please? I'd like to order grilled chicken. Can I get the bill, please?
You can practice these at home. Say them out loud every day. Even when you're not traveling, practice helps you sound natural.
Yes, and when you arrive in a new country, your confidence will surprise you.
Let's also go over some useful travel words. 1. Passport, a document for traveling internationally. 2. Luggage, bags or suitcases for traveling. 3. Boarding pass, a paper or e-ticket for entering the plane. 4. Gate, the area where passengers board. 5. Customs, the area for checking goods and documents when entering a country. 6. Currency exchange, where you change your money. 7. Souvenir, something you buy to remember a place. 8. Hotel reservations, booking a room before you arrive. 9. Tourist attraction, a famous place to visit. 10. Travel insurance, protection for emergencies during travel.
Excellent vocabulary list. Knowing these words can save you a lot of trouble during your trip.
And make your conversation smoother. Now let's review and think deeply with some questions.
1. Why is English important when traveling abroad?
Because English is an international language used almost everywhere, at airports, hotels, and restaurants. It helps you communicate even if you and the other person come from different countries. It's the bridge that connects travelers around the world.
2. What should you do if you forget a word when speaking English abroad?
Don't panic. Try explaining the word in another way or use gestures. People are kind and will usually understand. The goal is communication, not perfect vocabulary.
3. How can you practice English before traveling?
You can watch travel videos, listen to podcasts like this one, or practice with friends. Even talking to yourself in English every morning helps build confidence.
4. What attitude should you have when speaking English abroad?
Be polite, confident, and patient. Mistakes are okay. They mean you're learning. Smile and speak clearly.
5. Why should travelers focus more on connection than perfection?
Because travel is about people. It's not an English test. When you connect with others, even a small conversation can create beautiful memories. Here's something I've learned. English opens doors, but courage helps you walk through them.
I love that. You don't need to speak perfectly to travel happily. You just need the courage to try.
Every time you say hello to a stranger or ask for directions, you grow. You learn something new about the world and about yourself.
Yes, and sometimes even when people don't understand every word, they can feel your kindness through your tone and smile. That's real communication.
Exactly. So don't wait until you're ready. Start using English now, wherever you are. Practice in front of a mirror. Talk to your friends. Watch English travel shows.
The more you use English, the more natural it becomes. And when your next trip comes, you'll realize you're already ready.
Let's test what you've learned today. I'll ask 5 short questions, and you can choose A or B. 1. What should you say when you can't find your gate at the airport? A. Where is the boarding gate? B. I'm hungry. Answer A. Where is the boarding gate? 2. What's the polite way to ask for food in a restaurant? A. Give me chicken. B. Can I have grilled chicken, please? Answer B. Can I have grilled chicken, please? 3. What's a good response if someone helps you? A. Thanks a lot. B. Whatever. Answer A. Thanks a lot. 4. If you forget a word in English, what should you do? A. Stay silent. B. Use another word or gesture. Answer B. Use another word or gesture. 5. What is the main goal of learning English for travel? A. To impress others with big words. B. To communicate clearly and enjoy the experience. Answer B. To communicate clearly and enjoy the experience.
Listeners, remember, traveling abroad is not just about seeing new places. It's about learning, growing, and connecting.
And English helps you do all 3. It's your bridge to the world.
So next time you pack your suitcase, also pack your confidence. You already have what you need: curiosity, kindness, and courage.
Yes, start with simple words. Say hello. Ask, where is this? Smile. Every small sentence you say in English is a victory.
Keep practicing, keep traveling, and keep believing in yourself. Because every English word you speak brings the world a little closer to you.
Beautifully said, Liam.
And that's the spirit of Simple English Space, helping you grow with confidence one conversation at a time.
Before we say goodbye, let's reflect. What new English phrases did you learn today that will help you on your next trip abroad? Try using them this week in your daily conversations.
And here's a question for our next episode. Do you know how to talk politely to strangers when you first meet them in English? We'll explore that next time.
Thank you for learning with us today at Simple English Space. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.